In today's video, I'm going to share with you our top IGTV 2019 tips to help you stand out on Instagram. Let's go. Before we get into the video, if you are new to our channel and are interested in growing your business in any market, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new content. IGTV is one of the newest video platforms out there. It can help you get in front of new eyeballs. And today we're going to share with you our top 5 tried and true tips to help you grow your IGTV. Make sure you stick around till the very end for a special bonus tip that you don't want to miss. Tip number 1, make sure that the content you're putting on IGTV is unique to Instagram. In other words, stop uploading your full YouTube videos to IGTV. The analytics don't lie. When you do that, your retention rate dive bombs. I mean, dive bombs. If you want to put a portion of your YouTube video on there, great, do it. That's all well and good. But if you want to actually grow viewers, grow more people on your IGTV, then you have to put unique content there, not your YouTube channels. Tip number 2, get to the point. Instagram is short, quick, and to the point. Your intros should be 5 seconds or less because you're able to see your analytics when you have longer form videos on there or take longer to get to the point. You can see your analytics drop. So I highly encourage you to keep an eye on that as you are uploading videos to IGTV. And you want to keep the format and the length of your video 5 minutes or less. Again, Instagram, people are trained on that platform because of Instagram stories to want short bursts and bits of information and not long form video like YouTube has. Do you know any IGTV videos that have gone way too long? If so, write yes in the comments below. Tip number 3, the thumbnail matters. Just like in YouTube, where what you have on the thumbnail and how it's designed matters, the same holds true for IGTV. But here's the catch. Depending on where you're looking at the thumbnail, it's gonna look different. So if you are looking at your Instagram feed, then it's only gonna show the middle third portion of that thumbnail. That can be really infuriating, especially if you're a photographer or a creative who it matters that you have a curated feed. We spent a lot of time agonizing over making sure that it looked just right. But then if you go into the search section of all of someone's IGTV videos and episodes, the thumbnail looks completely different. It fills up your entire screen, and there are 2 more sections of it that don't show up in your Instagram feed. And so you have to make sure that when you're building that thumbnail that you take those things into consideration, that you have it on brand for what you're doing, and that you're showcasing not only what the video is about with the title, which has to be short, but also that you have an eye-catching visual in the middle of that so that when it goes into your feed, somebody sees it and wants to interact with it. We recommend that you go into a place like Canva versus Photoshop and use that and their templates to figure out your own thumbnail. And you may have to test it a couple times to make sure that it fits exactly the way that you want it to. Tip number 4, editing your video. Just like Instagram, where it's meant to be in the moment, it's meant to be more unfiltered, raw, and real, like Instagram stories, our brains have been trained to expect that. And so when you're editing your IGTV video, it's less polished than a YouTube video is. It's less sparkles and glitter and cut-ins and all the things. And so the less is more mentality is what you want to take with this. You can still do a little bit of B-roll, but the more that you do, the more polished you make it, the less inclined people are to stay on your video, and your analytics are going to show that. So keep it simple, keep it brief, and don't go all out with Filmora or any of those editing things. This is Instagram. It's meant to be as true to life as possible. Tip number 5, posting and promoting your video. First and foremost, you want to make sure that you post your video on a day that you get a lot of traffic. For us, that's Mondays, but for you, it may be a Wednesday, a Thursday. Take a look at your Instagram analytics and use that to figure out what the best day for you is to post. Because if you're gonna go to the effort of making an IGTV video, you need to get the most bang for your buck. The next thing is, while you can certainly post that video through your phone, we don't recommend it. There's a lot more control that you have by posting to desktop or through your laptop. And as you're getting ready to post it, make sure that you're clicking the option that it goes into your feed. This is a new feature for 2019 that really has helped Instagram to take off. And it gets more eyeballs on that video, as well as Instagram really gives a lot more validity to these videos. They're pushing it in the feed a lot more frequently. In fact, if you head to the search option, the little spyglass button in Instagram, and you see what pops up in your search, you're gonna see that the most real estate given to Instagram by Instagram is IGTV. So that's incredibly important that you put it into your feed. And now for our secret tip. So once you've posted your Instagram TV episode to IGTV, you don't want to post for 24 hours because you've put that IGTV preview into your feed. It's the first thing somebody sees when they come to your profile. And the longer you can leave that up on there, the better, instead of burying it under a bunch more posts on your feed. Now, the longer you leave it on there, the better to an extent. If you leave it for 48 hours, 72 hours, it doesn't tend to matter after that 24-hour mark. But we found through our split testing, through looking at our analytics, that 24 hours is the sweet spot for leaving it on there as the first post on your feed. So this has been a ton of information to get you started in your very first IGTV episode. But if you want your very own strategy for your business on how to grow your IGTV channel, then head to the show notes below and schedule your own strategy call with us. We can't wait to help you out to grow and start your very own IGTV channel. If you love this content and want more just like it to grow your business in any market, then make sure you hit that playlist above and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new content. And if you've liked this video, hit that like button. Let us know. It helps us out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.